every single day. Over 100 tons of space debris pelt our atmosphere, yet we remain mostly unscathed. Today, we explore why asteroids plummet toward Earth and whether we should be worried about the ones that get through. You will learn about the chaotic mechanics of our solar system and the invisible forces that dictate these cosmic collisions. The primary driver of asteroid movement is the gravitational influence of the giant planets. Jupiter, with its immense mass, acts a gravitational pinball machine, constantly nudging asteroids out of the main belt. These rocky remnants are left over from the solar system's birth 4.6 billion years ago, when their orbits become unstable. They can be flung toward the inner solar system, placing them directly on a potential collision course with our home planet. It's a common myth that space is a crowded, busy highway of flying rocks. In reality, space is incredibly vast, and most asteroids are separated by millions of miles of empty vacuum. Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective shield, vaporizing most small debris before it ever touches the ground. This constant bombardment is simply our planet sweeping up the leftover crumbs of the solar system's formation. Even more surprising, some asteroids don't hit us because of gravity, but because of sunlight. The Yarkovsky effect occurs when an asteroid absorbs sunlight and radiates it back as heat, creating a tiny, persistent thrust. Over millions of years, this subtle force can nudge a rock into a dangerous Earth-crossing orbit. But what could we do if a massive one was spotted headed our way? Earth is hit because it exists in a cosmic shooting gallery, shaped by planetary gravity and the subtle physics of light. While the risk of a major impact is statistically tiny, our ability to track these objects grows stronger every day. Understanding these mechanics is the first step toward planetary defense. If you found this cosmic breakdown fascinating, hit the and comment below with your biggest question about space.